terserah kamu pengennya apa, mau kuning boleh, emas boleh. Nanti kita kasih warna kuning sama emas. Oke, tunggu ya kelanjutannya. Lanjut kombinasi warna kedua guys. Oke, kita kasih emas. Nah, aduh. Nah, biru emas masuk.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be.
Tapi lumayan, tinggal nanti naik di clear. Oke, set, lumayan kayak bunglon apa ya, pokoknya low budget, kualitas lumayan, di kantong pelajar. Monggo yang mau lanjut guys, kita lihat sini ya, udah mulai kelihatan hasilnya, palingnya ya 2-3 lapis. Bentar guys.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless.